Hey, it's Grady at Twin Creek Audio, and today I've got a Fostex R8 1/4-inch analog 8-track machine. It's a cute little machine. Here's the detachable remote control front panel. I hope you can see this on camera. Let me lift this up better for you. There you go, there's the R8 with the detachable remote control panel. I bought this machine to use in some demonstration videos here on the channel and just generally to have fun with because I think it's a really cute, fun machine. It weighs 22 pounds. I've never seen another analog multitrack machine that only weighs 22 pounds. So this little thing seems like it's going to be awesome. One of the biggest problems with the Fostex R8 1/4-inch 8-track analog machine are these little reel pulleys. They're made out of plastic and they're pressed onto the motor shaft. You can see this one has some tape wrapped around the base of it. That was to keep it on the shaft. Basically, the old ones, they just pull off of the motor shafts if they haven't fallen off already because of this collar being cracked. You can see where this one's been repaired with a piece of tape to try and keep it on the motor shaft. You can epoxy these onto the shafts too, but to me that seemed like a messy solution. So I ordered 2 new aluminum parts that have little set screws to hold it onto the motor shaft. These things worked really well, except the set screws come in a separate baggie and they're really small. So if you choose to go the Tascam Ninja reel pulley part route, don't lose those little set screws because they're pretty small. Okay. it's supposed to be. And let's see if our transport works now. That's working pretty well. Let's see if we got something, but I don't know what's going on there. Everything seems to be running pretty smoothly. The Fostex R8 is such a cool little machine. I mean, it's got a carrying handle, like I said at the beginning of the video. It's just cute as it can be, and extremely portable for an analog 8-track recorder. Really awesome. Has a lot of features, and I hope to feature a lot of this in future videos here on the channel once I get all of the bugs worked out of this machine. And then I'm going to make some really cool demos with this machine here on the channel. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Twin Creek Audio YouTube channel if you have not done so already. Also click the notification bell icon so you can receive a notification when I upload new content here on the channel, including future videos about this Fostex R8 1/4-inch analog 8-track. Thanks so much for watching. I hope each and every one of you out there has an excellent and wonderful day, night, evening, weekend, weekday, hour, minute, second, nanosecond, whatever it is you're having. Have a good one. Thanks so much for watching.